The Contaminant Plume Dispersion. Interactive calculator determines how pollutants spread through groundwater in 3 dimensions. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate concentration at point, calculate maximum centerline concentration, calculate plume width at 90% containment, calculate contaminant travel time, calculate required source strength or estimate dispersivity from distance. We'll use calculate concentration at point. Enter source concentration C0 in milligrams per liter, down gradient distance x in meters, lateral distance y in meters, and vertical distance z in meters. Input: seepage velocity v in meters per day, then the dispersivity values. Longitudinal dispersivity AL, transverse dispersivity AT, and vertical dispersivity AV, all in meters. Finally, add target concentration in milligrams per liter and containment percentage. For our example, source concentration 100, down gradient distance 50, lateral distance 5, vertical distance 2, seepage velocity 0.5, longitudinal dispersivity 5, transverse dispersivity 0.5, vertical dispersivity 0.05, target concentration 10, and containment percentage 90. Clicking Calculate gives us a primary result of 52.2046 milligrams per liter, the concentration at our specified point. The dispersion coefficients are dx 2000-5000, dy 0.2500, and dz 0.0250 square meters per day. Standard deviations SI equals 7.071 meters and SZ equals 2.236 meters. The Pecklet number is 10.0 and travel time is 100.0 days. This powerful tool helps engineers assess groundwater contamination scenarios quickly. Find the link in the description below.